Okay, quadrilateral ABCD has vertices at A, -3, -2, B, 0, 3, C, 6, 5, and D, 9, 2. Prove quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezoid. Read the following paragraph proof for this problem carefully and then follow the instructions. Quadrilateral ABCD has vertices at A, -3, -2, B, 0, 3, C, 6, 5, and D, 9, 2. By the slope formula, the slope of AB is blank. So they give us the side that we're going to use, and so we are going to use, I'm going to use the slope formula calculator that I seriously Googled in slope formula calculator. It's a resource. Clicked on the first Math Warehouse one, pulled it up. So point A's coordinates are -3, -2. Point B's coordinates are 0, 3. Click calculate, 5/3. So blank 1 is 5/3. Okay, the slope of segment BC is, since we already have the coordinates for point B here, I will just change these coordinates to point C's. So 6, 5. So this is 1/3. So blank 2 is 1/3. The slope of segment AD is 1/3, and the slope of segment CD is -1. It follows that the slope of segment BC, again, that was blank 2, so I'm just going to write right here, this was 1/3. So the slope of segment BC is blank the slope of AD. So AD is 1/3 and BC is 1/3. So they're the same. So for blank 3, I'm not sure why blank 4 is right there, but for blank 3, they are equal to or the same. So they're equal to each other, and that the slope of AB, segment AB, is blank the slope of segment CD. So again, segment AB was 5/3 and segment CD was -1, so they're not equal to. So blank 4, not equal to. By the slope criterion for parallel lines, segment BC is blank to segment AD. So again, segment BC and segment AD had equal slopes, so they would be parallel. So blank 5 would be parallel. And segment AB is blank to segment CD. Okay, so since segment AB did not have the equal to slopes of segment CD, they would not be parallel. So not parallel. And that's how I would go through it. Now, if you're wondering what is the slope criterion for parallel lines, you could go back up right here. This is the slope criterion. So two distinct lines are parallel if and only if they have the same slope. So this is sometimes called the slope criterion for parallel lines.